In this video, I'm going to show you one of the new updates we have, which is in our chart library. And our library continues to grow, so we wanted to make it easier to find those different charts that you're looking for. Now, when you pull up the initial menu for our charts, it's going to look somewhat similar to what you've had in the past, where each of the charts are categorized by type. We have this view by and its chart type categories. We have areas grouped together, bar charts grouped together, and so on. But there is a little bit of difference because now you have this view by menu and we have this sort menu and search. And all three give you a different way to experience the chart library and search for things differently. Let's go to search first because it's easiest. When I go in here, let's say I'm searching for the score chart. Notice that when I search, I automatically go to the all chart types. So search is searching all chart types. You don't have to worry about what category you're searching or how you filtered the list by or sorted it by. It always defaults to search, always defaults to all chart types. That's important because we have some categories now that don't include all chart types. So for example, if we go down to popular, just for example, these are just some of our charts that are used by most of our customers many times when they're building reports. So we just made a special list here of some of those kind of special charts that we know customers are using over and over again and are unique to VividCharts. But similarly, we have a new category called report flows. Now, report flows is pretty unique in that all the chart types in here are very specific to a use case. So I'll scroll down here all the way to the bottom, because if you're wanting to do some reporting on resources in your resource management, we have two new chart types that are very specific to that purpose, and so on and so forth. We have some up here that are very specific to change reporting, especially around CAB meetings and things like that. And so all those live under report flow category up here in the view by now. Now we also have another one called visualization purpose. It groups, instead of by chart type category, it's by visualization type. So if you're trying to do comparisons of values, there's a comparison category. If you're doing composition visualizations, there's composition, flow, metrics like KPIs and scores, things like that. So again, we just wanted to add more categories of ways to group the charts together so that you can find things that you want easily. And in I'll go into the all chart types. You can always go here. Again, you can search for whatever you're looking for and it'll be searched there. And again, you can also sort all these in different ways. Now, the other thing that I do want to point out, this is not new in this release, but it's something that's always been there, but how it interacts with this new chart menu. If I say I want to make area a favorite, and maybe I want to make, let's just say, my line chart a favorite. What happens now is I have this little box at the top that's my favorites, so those are specific to me. And I always want to be able to see the area and the line charts at the top. No matter what category I go to, I'm always going to see my favorites at the top. So if, the chart types that you use are not in the popular list, for example, that you use the most, you can create your own list of favorites and then always find them there. Again, just trying to make things very easy as you're finding the different chart types as our library continues to grow. We want to make it quick and easy for you to find what you're looking for.